1. Greeting someone.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, too. Thanks.
That's great to hear. Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did. I went hiking with some friends.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I stayed home and relaxed.
Sometimes a relaxing weekend is just what our need.
Absolutely. So, what's new in your life?
I started a new job last week and I'm really enjoying it.
Congratulations. What kind of work are you doing?
I'm working as a graphic designer for a small company.
That's impressive. I've always been interested in design.
Thank you, and how about you? How's your job going?
It's been busy, but I like the challenges. Keeps me motivated.
That's a positive attitude. By the way, have you tried the new cafe downtown?
Not yet, but I've heard good things about it. Have you been?
Yes, I went there for coffee yesterday. The atmosphere is lovely.
I'll have to check it out then. Thanks for the recommendation.
You're welcome. Anyway, I should get going. It was nice talking to you.
You too, Alice. Have a great day and enjoy your new job.
Thanks, Arya. Take care.
2. Introducing yourself.
Hi, I'm John. What's your name?
Nice to meet you. John, I'm Emily.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Emily.
Likewise, John, are you from around here?
Yes, I grew up in the city. How about you?
I'm originally from a small town, but I moved here for college.
That's interesting. What are you studying?
I'm studying psychology. I find the human mind fascinating.
Psychology is intriguing indeed. What do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy painting and hiking in my free time. How about you?
I'm really into playing the guitar and writing songs.
That's awesome. Maybe you can play something for me sometime.
Sure, I'd love to. Do you have any favorite books or movies?
I'm a big fan of mystery novels, and I enjoy watching sci-fi movies.
Those genres are exciting. We have some common interests.
It seems so. Maybe we can explore those interests together.
I'd like that, Emily. Looking forward to getting to know you better.
Me too. John, let's stay in touch and hang out soon. 3. Talking about the weather. It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?
Yes, the sun is shining and the sky is clear.
Makes me want to spend the day outdoors.
I agree, a perfect day for a picnic or a walk in the park.
I might go for a bike ride later. How about you?
I'm planning to go for a jog this evening.
Sounds like a great way to enjoy the weather. Have a good run.
Thanks, you too. Have a wonderful day, Sarah.
4. Ordering food.
Hello. Welcome to our restaurant. What would you like to order?
I'll have a cheeseburger and a cola, please.
Would you like any sides with your cheeseburger?
Yes, I'll have some French fries on the side.
Got it. Anything else for you today?
No, that'll be all, thank you.
You're welcome. Your order will be ready shortly.
5. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the nearest train station?
Sure, you just need to go straight down this road and take the first left.
And then?
Continue walking for a few blocks until you see a big blue sign.
Thanks so much. Is it far from here?
Not really, it's about a 10 minutes walk from here.
Perfect. I appreciate your help.
No problem, have a safe trip. 6. Talking about hobbies. What do you like to do on your free time?
I enjoy playing guitar and reading books. How about you?
I love painting and going to art galleries.
That's cool. I've always wanted to try painting.
You should give it a shot. It's very relaxing.
I might just do that. Thanks for the suggestion, Linda.
You're welcome, Tom. Let me know if you need any tips. 7. Talking about family. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger sister and an older brother.
Are you close to your siblings?
Yes, we're a tight-knit family. We spend a lot of time together.
That's nice. How about your parents?
My parents are both teachers. They're really supportive.
It sounds like you have a wonderful family, David.
Thank you, Sophie. Family means a lot to me.
8. Shopping for clothes. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for a blue shirt in size medium.
Sure, we have a few options over here. Take a look.
This one looks nice. Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is right there.
It fits perfectly. I'll take this one, please.
Great choice. Anything else you're looking for?
No, I'm good. Thanks for your assistance.
9 are talking about work. What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher at a local school.
That must be rewarding. What subject do you teach?
I teach English to middle school students.
That's important work. I work in a bank as a teller.
Handling finances must keep you busy. Is it challenging?
Yes, but I enjoy helping customers manage their money.
It's great to have a job that makes a difference.
10. Going to movie. Would you like to go see a movie this weekend?
That sounds like a great idea. Which movie and when?
There's a new action movie playing on Saturday evening.
Sounds exciting. Let's meet at the theater at 6 p.m.
Perfect. I'll get the tickets. See you then.
Looking forward to it, Amy. Should be a fun time.
11. Expressing likes and dislikes. Do you like swimming?
Yes, I love swimming. It's so refreshing.
What about skiing? Have you ever tried it?
I haven't, but I'm not a fan of cold weather.
I see. I enjoy skiing, but I'm not a big fan of swimming.
That's interesting how we all have different preferences.
Definitely, it's what makes us unique. 12. Talking about past activities.
What did you do last weekend?
I visited the zoo and had a picnic with my friends.
That sounds like a lot of fun. How was the weather?
It was sunny and warm, perfect for being outdoors.
I spent the weekend at home catching up on reading.
That sounds relaxing. Sometimes a quiet weekend is nice.
It was, but might go for a hike next weekend.
13. We're inviting someone. We're having a barbecue on Saturday. Would you like to join us?
That sounds fantastic. I'd love to come.
Great. We'll start grilling around 3 p.m. Feel free to bring a dish.
I'll bring some drinks and snacks. Looking forward to it.
Perfect. It's going to be a fun gathering.
Thanks for inviting me. Emma, see you on Saturday.
14. Talking about travel. Have you ever been to Paris?
Yes, I went there last summer. It was an amazing trip.
What were your favorite things to do there?
I loved visiting the Eiffel Tower and exploring the Louvre.
Sounds like a dream. I hope to visit Paris someday.
You definitely should. It's a beautiful city with so much to offer.
I'll start planning for it. Thanks for sharing your experience. 15. Talking about future plans. What are you going to do next month?
I'm planning to take a short vacation and visit my grandparents.
That sounds like a wonderful idea. Where do they live?
They live in a charming little town by the seaside.
It must be relaxing to spend time there. Will you stay long?
Just a week, but I'm really looking forward to it.
Enjoy your trip and make the most of your time with family. 16. Talking about health and well-being. Hey, how have you been feeling lately?
I've been pretty good. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I've been a bit tired. I think I need more sleep.
Sleep is important for your well-being. Are you stressed?
Yeah, work has been quite hectic recently.
You might want to consider some relaxation techniques.
Like what?
Maybe try meditation or going for a walk in nature.
That sounds nice. I also need to eat healthier.
Eating balanced meals and staying hydrated can make a difference.
You're right. I should cook more at home.
Cooking can be enjoyable and healthier than eating out.
I'll start with a salad for dinner tonight.
That's a great step towards taking care of yourself.
17. Talking about favorite music. What type of music do you like?
I'm really into pop and rock music. How about you?
I love jazz and classical music. It's so soothing.
Jazz is great for relaxing. Do you play any instruments?
I play the piano. It's my way of unwinding after a long day.
That's wonderful. I play the violin in a local orchestra.
How exciting. Playing music with others must be fun.
Absolutely. It's a fantastic way to connect with people.